Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be making a plant stand for this pineapple. I'm going to be using some Gorilla Glue and these Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree, and I also be using my Duro all-purpose glue from Walmart. And what I'm doing right here is just forming a pattern. You probably have seen these stands in different stores. When I finish with it, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. It's just simple. I'm just gonna make a little stand to sit my pineapple on. So right here I'm just making sure it's big enough for the pineapple. Then these are gonna be the legs, and I'm gonna leave it in its natural state. You can stain it or paint it a different color, but I like the finish on these Jenga blocks. So this is just a cheap little DIY. You know my channel is about saving money. Anything we can do to save money. So I've already had these items, so I just came up with this idea after seeing these little stands in the store. Now I have the bottom finished, and it's gonna sit just like that. Then I'm gonna also put some more Jengas around the perimeter just to make it look a little better.